Students, it is our first lecture of sampling technique of this week. The title of this lecture is Sampling with Unequal Probabilities Without Replacement. The detail of this topic is given here. The cluster units are stratified into desired number of relative small strata and only a small number of cluster units being drawn from each stratum. The case nh is equal to 2, that is there are two strata with provides 1 degree of freedom for each stratum for estimating the sampling error. Suppose that two units are to be drawn from let me increase the size of this text. Now I think it is easily readable. The first unit is drawn with probability Zi, let proportional to the sum of the measures of size. Let the ith unit be selected and the second drawn. One of the remaining units is selected with single probability Zi over 1 minus Zi. Hence the total probability pi I indicates that ith unit selected in the sample. That is the ith unit to be selected at either first or second stratum. The total probability pi I is equal to Zi over Zi plus Zi divided by 1 minus Z1. Sorry, it is a Z1. This is a Z1. Z1 divided by 1 minus Z1 into Zi plus Z2 into Zi divided by 1 minus Z2. It is Z1 divided by 1 minus Z1 into Zi plus Z2 divided by 1 minus Z2 into Zi plus Z3 divided by 1 minus Z3 into Zi plus Z4 divided by 1 minus Z4 into Zi plus and so on. Zi minus 1 into Zi divided by 1 minus Zi minus 1 plus and so on. Zn into Zi divided by 1 minus Zn. Down the slide please. Therefore Zi and therefore pi I may be written as Zi plus sum of I is not equal to j varies from up to n. Zi divided by 1 minus Zj into Zj. Now Zi may be written as Zi into 1 plus j is not equal to I Zi divided by Zj divided by 1 minus Zi. If we take common or no, we also may write it as Zi into 1 plus j varies from 1 to capital N Zj divided by 1 minus Zj minus Zi over 1 minus Zi. Now here it is here given a Howard-Thomson estimator, which is which in case of sampling with unequal probabilities without replacement. In that case, one of the estimator of population total or population mean is Howard-Thomson estimator. A sample of n unit is selected without replacement. Let pi I is equal to probability that ith unit is in the sample. Pi ij is equal to the probability that ith and jth unit are in the sample. The following relations hold then. Sum of I varies from 1 to capital N, pi is equal to small n. where pi is equal to 1. Sum of I is not equal to j up to n. Pi I j is equal to n minus 1 into pi I. Sum of I is varies from 1 to capital N. J is greater than I, varies from up to n. Pi I j is equal to 1 over 2 into n minus 1. This will be the three relationship derived from Haworth-Thomson estimators. The Haworth-Thomson estimators of population total is given here. Y hat HT is equal to sum of I varies from 1 to small n yi divided by pi I, where yi is the measurement of the ith unit. Sum of I varies from 1 to capital N, pi is equal to small n. Sum of j is not equal to I, varies from 1 capital N, pi I j is equal to small n in minus 1 into pi I, and sum of j varies from 1 to n, I is less than j, varies from 1 capital N, pi I j is equal to 1 over 2 into n minus 1. These will be used in coming theorems in next lectures. Thank you, students.